Of a Media Holdings senior journalist, Blessed Mhlanga, who has been arrested on Monday on allegations of publishing an interview containing messages of citing violence, has been sent to Harare remand prison, waiting his ruling on bail application. Salamana mashoko panapa vanhu vakuti aiwa Mhlanga aiwa ospenda 2 nights aiwa ari kuseri notable subscribe like on the bell like TV panapa mudanyira chete. Mhlanga appeared before Harare Magistrate Farai Patima, who is expected to hand down his ruling on the reporter's bail application on Thursday. The state opposed bail, telling the court that Mhlanga was likely to intimidate their witnesses, who include his junior subordinates. According to the state, 10 witnesses are lined up to testify against Mhlanga. Mhlanga got in trouble following his interview with Blessed Geza of the ruling party, who called for President Edwin resignation. Geza is currently in hiding after the police launched a manhunt on him. Representing the state, Rohimbo Machacha said Mhlanga should remain locked up because the police are yet to recover some of the gadgets he used in doing his story. Mhlanga's attorney, Chris Mike, said journalism is not a crime. Mike said the fact that his client got arrested for simply doing his job was against the law. In court, I urge the court to play its part in upholding the fundamental rights that are enriched in the Bill of the Rights. The state alleges that if the accused is released, he will have access to the equipment and they fear information will be disseminated. It's like going back to the dark ages. Accused doesn't have any pending court cases. He is a law-abiding citizen, and law-abiding citizens should not be punished with the detention by individuals and institutions that have a dislike for the profession of journalism, Mike said. Thomas Kwana mudafana pa wana chimirira aiwa mkomana Mhlanga. Mbudze mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro aiwa peku sungiwa kwake. Pina kumene section medu za mafunguro enyu, sana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.